In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to reset your Autopass account password. If you have entered incorrect login details, you will be prompted, informing you that you have entered an incorrect password, along with the number of remaining attempts you have. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forget Your Password button located below the Continue button. You will then be brought to the Reset Password page, where you can choose to verify your identity either via user ID or your email address. Please complete the CAPTCHA before proceeding. Click on the declaration box to verify and declare that you are the driver for the vehicle registered under the account. Check your email inbox for the one-time password to verify your email. Set your new password based off the requirements on the list as displayed. Store these details somewhere safe for future logins to your Autopass account. If you choose to reset via email address, there will be an additional step. You will first be required to enter the PIN that you created during your initial account setup. Check your email for the one-time password to verify your email, then reset your password based off the requirements listed above. Store these details somewhere safe for future logins to your Autopass account. You can now log in again with your new password. Upon logging in, check your email to verify the one-time password. You will be brought to your dashboard where you can view your applications and their status. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching.